Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm so excited to be doing this look today. It kind of reminds me of like a unicorn maybe, I don't know. So just hang tight, we're fixing to get into this tutorial and it's gonna be a speedy tutorial. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna speed up the video and then I'm actually gonna voice over and talk over it. So it's a full face tutorial, which those typically take longer, so I didn't want to take up even more of your time by talking while I'm doing my makeup. So hopefully I explained everything really great for you guys, and hopefully you guys love the makeup tutorial. If you guys have any questions, drop them below, and don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube page. That way you get notifications every time I post a new YouTube video. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.
Alright, you guys, here we go. I'm just applying some silk and let that wait for just a moment on my face. Now I'm going in with my Candlelight just to fix some of those dark circles a little bit, and then I'll spot touch up with that as well. Alright, now for my eyes. Going in with Sandstone Pearl. Kind of doing this all over my eyelid as a base. Now I'm going in with Mulberry Shadowsense all over my lid. Just working that in really well. Okay, now we're going in with Amethyst Shadowsense, and again I'm doing that on the lower portion of my lid instead of working that all the way up. I still kind of want that mulberry at the top there. The key with Shadowsense is just blending it really well. Now we're moving along, putting pink Posey up in my crease, kind of closer to my eyebrow as a transition color. And it is covering up that mulberry. The mulberry there is kind of just there for like a base. Mulberry will also help intensify the color of pink Posey. Just working that in really well again. Look how pretty that is. Now we're going in with pink Opal Shimmer on the bottom portion of my eyelid again, on the inner corner. And I'm kind of just patting this on. With the Shimmer Shadowsenses, it's best to pat them on instead of blending them out, especially if you want more of an intense shimmer. And I'm also putting that up by my eyebrow. This time I'm just kind of blending it out. Now I'm going in with Denim Shadowsense on the outer portion of my eye. And I'm using two different brushes here, one to apply and one to blend out. I'll also use my fingers to kind of help blend that out a little bit because I don't want it super intense. And the key with Shadowsense is really just building the color where you want it. Okay, now I'm just throwing on some Makesense foundation in the shade Fawn. I really love this foundation because it does really well at canceling out like the red in my face. And then here I stipple and like pat that foundation in where I want a little bit more coverage and then blend out where I want less. Now I'm using Mocha Java to work as my contour. I'm grabbing my angled brush and just blending that in. And I kind of pull it forward and then blend it back into my hairline. Same thing on my forehead. I'm going to mix equal parts of light and white concealer. Apply that in a V shape on your eye, and then when you're blending it, blend it down and then up so that you don't get creasy concealer underneath your eye. Hopefully that makes sense. Now I'm doing this to just kind of define my makeup line, like my eye makeup line. Just kind of helps. Time for blush. This is the shade Toasted Rose. Just blending it in. A little bit goes a long way. I'm also applying some of the Amethyst Shadowsense as my blush, just to kind of give my cheeks a purpley tone, and it kind of just goes with my eyeshadow. So now I'm contouring my nose, and again, this is with Mocha Java Shadowsense. Just grabbed a small brush and working out that contour there. Alright, forgive my eyebrows, you guys. I'm growing them out to get them waxed. This is Smoked Topaz Shadowsense and a small angled brush. I just work that into my eyebrows to fill them out. Okay, now I'm just going in with some L'Oreal Lash Paradise and working that into my eyelashes. Just getting that in there really well. This is the only non-Synergens product that I use right now. Now I'm just taking kind of a buffing brush and buffing out my makeup to give it a seamless, flawless look. Then I grab my brush that had my leftover amethyst on it, ran it underneath my eyes, and then a little bit of denim underneath my eyes as well. Grabbing that pink opal shimmer and putting it in the corner of my eye. Kind of running it underneath as well. I'm putting some pink opal shimmer on my cheeks. just to give myself a little bit more shimmer. I love shimmer, you guys. I love the highlight. Alright, so for my lips, I'm just applying some Oops Remover and letting that sit for a few seconds just so I can get the makeup off of my lips. And you always want to make sure that you're applying Lipsense to clean, dry lips. So this is my finished look, you guys. Thank you guys so much for joining me today. I hope you loved the tutorial.